In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to send invoices by email in Xero. This is useful for sending professional invoices to customers and keeping your billing process organized. First, open your web browser and navigate to xero.com. Once you're there, log in to your Xero account. After logging in, look at the top navigation bar and click on Sales. From the drop-down menu, select Invoices. You'll now see your invoice dashboard with all your existing invoices. To create a new invoice, click on New Invoice. Start by selecting the contact for the invoice. You can choose an existing customer or create a new contact. Next, enter the invoice details including the description, amount, tax rate and account for each item. Then, check the issue date, due date and currency to make sure everything is correct. Before sending the invoice, click Preview to review how it will appear to your customer. Once everything looks correct, click Approve and Email. You'll now see an email screen where you can customize the subject and message. Enter a clear subject line and add a short message for your customer. Finally, click Send Email to send the invoice directly to your customer's inbox. And that's it. You've successfully created and emailed an invoice in Xero. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.